What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix camera control button not working on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, click on camera. So click on camera. Scroll down, click on preserve settings. Now here, so turn on this button. So turn on control camera button. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix camera control button not working on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.